The land you acquired.
Yes.
It's massive, I must say.
Okay.
But baby, this place is scary, you know. It's scary and underdeveloped too. That's my only fear.
Oh, but this is the best thing to do, you know? Yeah, this is the best time to get up. Just give it 2 or 3 years. And this place will turn into a hot cake. Believe me. Let's go. We have spent so much time here. Come on. Let's go.
Let me have that child. Let me have that child. Now! She belongs to us. You can have her back when you are ready.
I'm not giving my child. Who are you people?
Who we are does not matter. Let me have that child! That will be over my dead body. I'm giving you my baby. Very well then. Wame! Ajay! Baktaya!
Hey! You shot my wife!
Let me have that child. Now!
No!
Now!
Here's my child. Here's my child! Give me back my child!
She is safe with us. You can have her back when you are ready.
Give me back my child. Give me back my child! Now!
Baby!
Baby, I thought you were dead. Why are you dressed like them?
You let them have my child. You're weak.
Baby,
Wait.
don't!
Your mates, who are in dire need of children, are out there looking for solution to their problem. But what is my own husband doing? Sleeping by this time of the day. Hey, Stephen, I need children. The doctor said it's your fault that you can't father a child, and you're sleeping. Tell me to be looking for solution to your problem. See, I cannot stay. And I cannot, have I not stayed enough? Have I not, why are you making me run mad? At my young age, you want me to stay with you when you can't father a child? Hey, please, I need to be called a mother. Please, I beg you. Stop sleeping. Do something. Please.
Babe, calm down. I've talked about this. Just give me some time. Please. Soonest, I'll be able to father a child.
I've been hearing soonest. I've been hearing soonest for God knows how long. Stephen, everyone has advised me to leave you. Friends, family. But no, I'm still with you because I love you. But you see, I can't sacrifice my children on the altar of affection. I need to be called a mother.
You'll be called a mother. I promise you that. Honey, see, you know what? If I am unable to get you pregnant in a few months' time, I will make sure I get you pregnant, okay? If I don't do it in a few months' time, you're free to take any decision you think.
Stephen, if by this time in 2 months, and you do not get me pregnant, I will leave this marriage.
I would like to have a word with you. Okay, fine. It might interest you to know that I have arranged for a sperm donor. That will...
Hey, hush. You see that nonsense that you're about spitting out from this mouth of yours, eh? Just take it in. Explain what? Hey. Truly you have no shame. So you want to sit and watch another man's sperm mold your child? Did I get married to you to get impregnated by another man? No. Gosh, you disgust me. It's an error. Hey, shut your mouth.
I'm your husband. Hey. You don't refer to me as Mr. Nanye, listen to me. Nanye, see, let me tell you something. Nanye, where are you going to now?
Don't ask me stupid questions. You should be asking me intelligent questions on how to get your wife pregnant and not her whereabouts. Open the gates!
Who's there? Come in. I say come in! What is it?
I want to have a word with you. Can I talk to you? Can I sit?
Sit down.
Thank you.
How may I help you?
A child can teach an adult 3 things. 1, to always be happy for no reason. 2, to always be busy with something. 3, to know how to demand with all his might that which he desires. That is why we clamor for children.
Where is that coming from?
I am an elder. I have seen a lot. I know a lot. I know about your childlessness. You've tried everything to get your wife pregnant, but to no avail.
Yes. You're correct. I feel so depressed. I have tried everything to impregnate my wife to no avail. And I fear if I don't impregnate her in a few months' time, she might quit this marriage.
Your wife will not leave.
No, you don't get it. We have tried everything. Everything humanly possible. Medically, spiritually, or otherwise. To no avail. I love my wife so much. I don't want to lose her to another man.
You will not lose her.
No, you don't get it. I said we have tried everything.
I might have a solution.
A solution?
Yes.
How? Listen, please tell me. I am ready to do anything to regain my potency.
It is not that very easy thing to do. But the persons that have gone to see him regain their potency.
Who is this person?
His name is Obelechukwu. He's very powerful. He will place you on herbs for 2 weeks. Then you will regain your potency. But the journey to see him is very risky.
I don't mind. I am ready to take the risk. Please tell me, where is this place?
Are you sure you're ready to take this risk to regain your potency?
Of course. What is the need of staying alive if I cannot impregnate my wife? It's as good as being dead. I'll go. Please, show me.
You have no time. Stand and continue this journey. This is as far as I can go. Remember to keep to the directions I give to you.
Yeah, I will. Tell my wife. Tell her that I love her very much. And if I don't make it back alive, tell her I lost my life because I didn't want to lose her.
You will see Obelechukwu. Please be very careful. I will be waiting for you Good luck.
Benson, I have journeyed this far to this kokoma tree for you. You must marry me whether you like it or not. You must follow my instruction. You will not pay attention to any member of your family. But you must divert all your wealth to me and my family.
Jim!
Get him! We will use this one for the sacrifice. I've told you to leave him. I don't have time. Let him go, please. I want us to get married. I just want you to see, listen, I just want us to get married and leave. Let's disappear into the US. When we get there, we live our life, have our kids, and just be happy together. That's all I want, please.
Calm down. Stephen is a good person and I don't want to hurt him. I don't want to break his heart. See, I've given him 2 months. If at the expiration of 2 months and nothing has happened, then I can divorce him and come and live with you forever.
That's the problem. 2 months. 2 months. Okay, how do you want me to feel? How do you want me to sit back and know that my woman is in...
I know what
and every night okay, what if you get pregnant? Would you guys be...
Shh. See, that's not possible. The doctor confirmed he can't get a woman pregnant. Yes. Let's just give him benefit of the doubt. Okay? That's all. You get?
But will you guys do anything?
Doesn't matter. Please. I love you.
I love you too.
I love you. Come here. Please. Don't call me unless I call you.
Baby, I love you.
I love you too.
I'm lost. Which is the right way? Which is the right way?
Why is her number not connecting? Oh, she's calling me.
He dropped a note. See, I don't know. He didn't tell me where he was going to. That's why I'm calling you. Did he say anything to you?
No. He didn't tell me where he was going. Honestly, he did not. I swear. He didn't mention anything to me. You know, he kept telling me that that he needed to find out if he's still working, if his manhood is still intact. You know, that he needs to maybe go out there, see if he can get somebody pregnant, to be able to know. You know, I was totally against it. I warned him. I told him it's not fair. He shouldn't do that. And I guess that's why he left without telling me. And honestly, I'm not aware.
Can you stop? Just stop! I know you want me and you want him out of the way so that we can get married. But that doesn't mean you should lie against him. I know Steven so well. He can't do that. He would never ever cheat on me, please.
Madam, you called me.
Yes. John, please, where did my husband say he was going to?
He said he was going for a business meeting.
Business meeting? What type of business meeting? And his phones are off.
I don't know. But I know he will still come back.
Still come back? It's all like him. He doesn't keep late nights.
Maybe he's head up by a great luck.
John, just go.
Eh?
Go, just go.
I should go.
John, just go.
Okay.
I'm lost in the forest. Can you help me? I don't mean to harm you. Excuse me. Excuse me. Wait! Wait. I'm lost. Are you lost?
Shikiri moya kakaya.
What did you just say?
Shikiri moya kakaya.
Wait! Wait for me! Wait! I don't want to hurt you, okay? Wait! Hi. My name is Steven. Yeah, and I'm lost in the forest. I'm trying to find my way out. I don't know if you can be of help. Hold on a second. What the hell is Chikirimu Kakakaya? Take it easy, okay? We're not fighting, okay? I don't understand your language. Can you please explain to me?
Kabongo!
Oh, this is not good. We don't need to fight, okay? We just have to...
Ngoma! Shikiri moya kakaya! Shikiri moya kakaya!
Something is definitely not right. Stephen tells me everywhere he wants to go. Are you sure he's all right?
Listen, I have told you countless times. Stephen is no longer interested in this marriage. Whatever thing it is you share with Stephen, he's no longer interested. He is long gone. He's looking for a way out. As I'm speaking to you right now, he is.
Stop, please.
In fact, let me now bust your bubbles. Stephen is angry at you. He said you always scold him, you shout at him, you use all manner of strong words on him, and it is getting him drained. And he said he wants to go and experiment to see if he's still working like a man.
Experiment? What type of experiment?
Okay. Stephen told me, to my ears, told me by himself, that he wants to go and experiment. He wants to sleep with another woman to see if she can take him. You're confused. Okay, good, listen. As I speak to you right now, Stephen is experimenting with his ex. I swear. He's my friend. I know where he is, in Abuja. He is experimenting with his ex right now, this very minute.
That ain't great. I have been a fool. To think that I've been rejecting advances from men. Even you.
Even me. He's not
just
fair.
to be faithful to him. Stephen. You know what? I'm ovulating. Come and make love to me.
Now.
Now?
Here.
Yes.
Hi. Why did we have to wait this long?
Ulipata huyo wapi? Tulipata antipiza mbizi. Tulele tulala.
Yeyeni umbelezi.
Please, I don't understand your language. I was lost in the forest. Was trying to find my way out. Then, suddenly, this woman caught me. Please, does anyone speak English here? I would like to speak to her.
Utashawa kayo mtukwa. Altayo sacrificial.
Yebebe.
Wait a minute! I heard sacrifice! Can someone speak English? Somebody help me! Somebody help me! I heard sacrifice! Help me!
Zumakwa, 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 zumakwa. 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 Zumakwa, 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 zumakwa.
Tozoma tazamna.
What is this? What are you trying to do? What? Help me! Help! Please, I beg of you. Untie me, please. What are you trying to do? I mean no harm. I'm just...
Kukunu tawunje.
Baraka, the special
I never wanted to do this. I wanted to be faithful till the divorce. See what you made me do. And it felt so good. Why did you do this? Why did you make me do this?
Will another round make you feel better?
Shut! Sacrificio!
What are you trying to do? What do you mean sacrifice? Do you want to sacrifice me? Please. Please, save me. I was just lost in the forest. Please don't kill me, please. Please.
Kakamuga Mugambo!
What are you doing, Lila?
Finally, someone speaks English.
Shut up!
You speak English too?
I never said I don't. He is a Zinko. He's dangerous. The rule says if we catch one, we sacrifice one to make us whole.
No! We will not sacrifice this one.
Why? He has seen us. He knows where we are. If we let him go, he will rat us out. And then we'll be conquered. We must sacrifice him!
Yes, we must sacrifice him.
Quiet! I said we will not sacrifice this one. For he is the chosen one.
What?
Strip him!
Why? Why are you asking them to strip me?
They are all virgins and have never seen a man's genitals before. If they see yours and have orgasm, then you are truly the chosen one. But if they don't, you will be killed and sacrificed.
Killed and sacrificed? Why don't we just do something else?
Sorry. I need to speak with you now.
Madam, I need to tell you something about your husband, my boss.
Anything that concerns Stephen, I am not interested. Keep it to yourself.
It's important.
This doesn't make any sense. I thought the chosen one is a fairy tale.
It is not. He is the chosen one. He is Baraka.
Wow. Congratulations. You are indeed a sharp shooter. I'm so happy for you. Huh? Ah! But don't worry, my wife and I will see you, okay? I'm glad. Baby, guess what? The Lord has done it for Emmanuel's family. Emmanuel's wife just put to bed. Ha! God has done it. Honey, you know what? Later, you and I will go pay them a visit, okay?
Baby, please come and sit. I want to discuss something very important.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Oh, no problem. So tell me, baby, what is it?
How did you convince me to marry you?
I don't understand.
No, wait. Let me rephrase. How did I convince myself to marry a man with a low brain? No. Low brain is better. A man with no brains at all. Empty skull, tissue brain, fish brain. Now tell me. You're happy for him. And you want me to follow you to go and see him. You must be a fool, a very big fool, to think that I will agree to go with you.
Nangie.
Stephen, apart from sleeping, the only thing you do is congratulate people that put to bed. Instead of making efforts to make your own baby, let people congratulate you. Let people call me on phone and say, or call you on phone and say congratulations. You congratulate people that have found solution to their infertility when you're still very, very infertile, impotent. No, let's go. Let's carry things. Let's go and see the baby now. You're not ashamed of yourself. You don't have sense. You're thinking through your anus. I pour you spit. Me and my wife. You and your who? It should be me and my wife. What? Rubbish. I can't even stay in this house with you.
Untie him.
Please, just let me go, please. Please. Just let me go. I think you can do that, please. Can I talk to you?
Strip him.
felt like exploding. I felt pleasure like I've never felt before. It has now dawned on me that this is a new beginning of every choice and every aversion. If that's how pleasure felt like, then I can kill to have it every day. Indeed, he is the chosen one. So what becomes of us now? I do not know. We await the aftermath of his purification.
If he could make us feel that way just by stripping, what becomes of us when...
Shh! Do not say that here. It is forbidden. I think they lied to us about men. They said men are our enemy. But what I felt there doesn't look like what your enemy can give to you. So where are you headed at? I think men are blessings to us, not a curse.
Baraka! 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 Baraka!
You didn't tell me you were coming.
I'm here now.
Won't you give your baby a hug?
Of course. Come here. How are you?
Are you alright?
My lady. Hey. My lady of inestimable value. Oh, you're so cute.
Thank you, baby.
Hi. Do you want to sit down?
Of course.
It's your chair. You're welcome to your house.
Thank you, my love.
Welcome home.
Thank you.
I am not expecting any. Who is it? Who is there? Who is there? Come in, come in. Yes, who are you? Who are you? You just walking into somebody's apartment without introducing yourself.
Is this a joke or something?
I said, who are you?
Benson.
I said, who are you? You're calling Benson. Who told you my name? I can just walk into someone's apartment and you're calling my name. Do I look like someone you know? Who told you my name?
Benson, just...
Please, what are you doing here? Who are you? I don't know you. I've not met you before. Am I what? Okay, fine, I understand. I might look like someone you know, but I'm not the person you're looking for, okay? I'm just trying to have a nice time with my woman here.
Yeah.
With my wife, right?
Of course, yeah, sure.
You're my wife, eh?
Mm-hmm.
Please go. Go now!
He said you should leave.
You're disturbing me and my wife.
Leave.
Go, please! You don't want to go?
He said you should leave. No, Benson. You know you're a gentleman.
Yes, I'm very gentle. Very, very gentle.
So just sit down. Don't worry. She will leave.
Of course, I will sit down. Is she leaving? I will sit. Baby, what do you want to eat?
My favorite.
Your favorite?
Mm-hmm.
I will remember. I will make it for you immediately.
ASAP. ASAP.
Is it ASAP you want to eat?
No, like as soon as possible. Go get it done.
Immediately.
Yeah.
I want to go back to my wife. I'm not done with all these shenanigans. I only came in search of my problem. I was lost in the forest and your people brought me here. I only came in search of solution to...
Fertility.
How did you know that?
It is obvious you don't know who you are, Baraka. Your tales were written decades ago, and I am privileged to be alive to set my eyes on you.
Many have died waiting for you. We are the lucky ones. The lucky generation who witnessed the chosen one.
I don't understand. I lost my way. I was only seeking solution to my problem.
Baraka, it is obvious you don't know who you are. You did not lose your way. Some things are too strange and strong to be mere coincidence. Do you think nature will fight for two to be together?
I don't understand.
Baraka. There are two kinds of people in this world. The ones who go with the flow to where destiny takes them, and the ones who fight for their fate. While the former is blessed with happiness, the latter achieves something greater. So tell me, Baraka, which do you prefer? The former or the latter?
I just want to be happy. At the same time, I want to achieve something greater.
Everyone on earth struggles to one degree or another. And the fate of each is being determined by the forces way beyond our imaginations. And yet, this is the odd part of me. We are all responsible for our lives. It is time for your purification.
How do you mean purification? Why do you want to purify me?
For the task ahead. We'll purify him with 5 virgins.
Wait a minute. Just wait a minute. What are you trying to say? What do you mean you are going to sacrifice 5 virgins for me?
Not at all. You will sleep with 5 virgins.
What? Tell me, what is the significance of sleeping with 5 virgins? Where will I get the strength from?
For it is written that all the virgins in this land will live and die as virgins, unless the chosen one is seen. And once the chosen one manifests, they will all conceive and bear fruit in the chosen one.
For goodness sake, I don't understand what you're trying to say.
What she's trying to say is that you will not only sleep with 5 virgins, you will sleep with all the virgins in the land of virgins. That is the only way your potency will be restored. It is time for your purification. Come with me.
Ever since the chosen one was stripped, I've not been myself. I feel so different. I feel wet. Ajaelo,
You feel wet. I guess that's the word you're searching for. We all feel the same way. You are not alone. Fariha.
Ajaelo.
Sure.
Ajaelo.
Both of you have been chosen to be among the virgins for the purification.
Hold on, Leila. What do you mean by we have been chosen? How do we purify the chosen one? We are going to be laying with the chosen one. What? We are going to be laying with the chosen one. This is unbelievable. Our names would be remembered in decades to come. Leila, when are we going to be laying with the chosen one?
Now, you will move to the shrine and I'll wait for the instruction from Zuri.
Ajaelo, we're selected. Wait. Why were we chosen? We are warriors. We are the prettiest amongst them. Can't you see? But how does it feel to be laid by the chosen one? I don't know. We're all virgins. Yes, we will eventually experience it. And I learned the pleasure is out of this world. Pleasure brings effeminacy. And effeminacy foreruns reign. Such conquests, without blood or sweat, sufficiently do revenge themselves upon their intemperate conquerors. What are you talking about, Arya? Pain and pleasure go together. They are inseparable. They can't be celebrated. They are ordinary. Birth is painful and delightful. Death is painful and delightful. Everything that ends is also the beginning of something else. Pain is not a punishment. Pleasure is not a reward. Let's go.
The adage of a merman is the chance of a native doctor. Kakatakuntu muntaje!
Don't worry. Let us wait here. Maybe she has gone to call the chosen one. I'm so excited. I feel something different inside of me. I do not know what it is. But I feel like water is dripping from my body.
Aria, you have been chosen as one of the virgins to participate in the purification of the chosen one.
To participate or sleep with the chosen one.
You have been chosen, Aria.
I do not want to lose my virginity. It is what makes me unique.
It is the superstition of the human mind to ever imagine that virginity is a virtue.
Virginity is not honored simply because it is virginity, but because it is consecrated of the gods.
Then worms shall try this long preserved virginity of yours. Your quaint honor shall turn to dust, and into ashes all my lusts. The grave is a beautiful and private place, but none, I think, do there embrace.
Here is like a library. A library is where one can lose her innocence without losing her virginity.
The chosen one is gone.
What?
Gather the militia. Go and get him.
There will be no need for that.
Why?
Destiny.
Destiny has two ways of crushing us: by refusing our wishes and by fulfilling them. Fate leads the willing and drags along the reluctant. Every individual has a place to fill in the world, and it is important in some respects whether he chooses to be so or not.
We are all but a piece of a puzzle. Our fate is determined by how we fit into the big picture.
Gather the warriors. Go and get him immediately.
There will be no need for that. Fate has brought him back.
How did I find myself here again? Just let me be!
I have told you this is your destiny, and you must embrace it. You are the chosen one.
What if I don't want to be the chosen one? I don't want to be the chosen one! I'm tired, let me be!
You're looking for a solution to your impotence. And here is the solution. You have been infertile because you've not embraced your fate. Once you do, your fertility will return. Your purification starts this night, and that is if you choose to stay. But if you decide to leave, we won't come looking for you anymore.
Do not leave. Fate is a hunter, always seeking and capturing its prey.
Benson denied me in front of a woman after sleeping with me. This doesn't make sense to me at all. Does it mean he's been pretending all along? Does it mean he just wanted to use me and dump me? Does it mean he lied? But he was ready to betray his best friend. This doesn't make sense to me at all. Did he plan this with Stephen? Because I don't understand Stephen's sudden disappearance. Hey. And he slept with me during my ovulation. God. What if I take him and Stephen comes back? What am I going to tell him?
Who is there?
It is me, John.
John, what is it?
I need to tell you something.
John, please, I'm not interested in anything you want to say by this time of the night.
It's about your husband.
What about my husband? You know something about his whereabouts?
Yes.
You really love her, don't you?
Who?
The one you seek solution to impregnate.
A wise man does not marry a woman he doesn't love. For the success of a marriage requires both involved to love each other over and over again. Marriage is the highest form of friendship. If happy, it can lessen our cares by dividing them. It can also double our pleasure by mutual participation. I don't only love her. I also want to make her happy. I don't want to lose her.
Does she love you? Like you love her?
I'm sure she does. For if she doesn't, she would have taken in for another man since I have failed to impregnate her. I am impotent.
No, you're not. You will understand better tomorrow after your purification. You are the chosen one. The one we've been waiting for all our life. That is the prophecy.
What prophecy are you talking about? Who prophesied to who? How dare you ask me to sleep with 5 virgins? I can barely satisfy my wife. Not to talk of sleeping with 5 women.
If you're really the chosen one, you will be able to sleep with all the virgins in the land of virgins.
I need to have a minute with him. Kwame, leave. And that includes you, Lila.
I am not letting him out of my sight.
Please leave. He's safe with me.
He was safe with you the last time he tried to escape. He is the chosen one. It is my duty as the chief warrior to protect him. I am giving you a direct order. Leave! You cannot give me a direct order. The only person that can give me a direct order is Lakaka.
Lakaka. Rise.
You! I know you! Yes! You're the woman in my dream who took my baby away from me. It's you!
You all can retire to your beds now. Except the night warriors.
Lakaka.
Zuri and Lila, I must commend you on how you handled everything in my absence. I also want to be briefed on everything going on with the chosen one. Until then, I wish to speak with him alone.
I have seen you severally in my dreams.
We have been looking for the chosen one for years now. We have been trying to locate you in your dreams. But prophecy came that you would come to us in the right time. That is why you've been seeing me in your dreams. I am glad you're here.
But why do you keep taking my baby from me in my dreams? Why do you tell me that you will give her back to me when I'm ready?
Because this is a place your potency will be restored. You are going to father all our children. Your name is Baraka, meaning father of many. Your potency has not been restored because you have not answered your call. But now that you have chosen to answer, your potency will be back to you. In fact, 5 of the virgins that will be used for your purification will all be pregnant for you.
Pardon me. I mean, how is that even possible? How can they all be pregnant at the same time? I mean, even if it's true that I can impregnate them, what's the possibility of them ovulating at the same time?
They were all selected spiritually. They are all ovulating, waiting for you. Why did you keep this away from me? Why?
I wanted to tell you, but you said you weren't interested. So I had to let it be.
So where did you say he has gone to?
He went to a dangerous place where he will find a lasting solution to his problems.
John,
Yeah.
did you say a dangerous place?
Yes.
You sent my husband to a dangerous place to die.
He knew how dangerous the place is. I told him, I tried discouraging him not to embark on that journey. He said he'd rather die than to lose you. Madam.
First thing tomorrow morning, you take me there.
Madam.
Get out. Get out.
Why was I not chosen among the virgins for purification?
I don't know. Maybe the gods have better plans for you.
Plans like what?
I have no idea, Lila.
I want to know what it feels like to be with a man. It is said to be the greatest pleasure on earth.
We all want to experience that. And we will. But you have to be patient.
The virgins selected are lucky. Once they become pregnant, they will be taken to Rome.
We all will be taken to Rome, but at the right time.
And by the way, where is this place? How did you all end here?
After your purification, you will know all that you were supposed to know. Until then, have a good night's rest.
Hey. I'm ready. Take me to where you said my husband is going to.
Madam, I beg you, allow your husband to embark on this journey. If he had wanted you to be part of it, he would have asked me to tell you. He's positive, and I know he'll make it.
I'm not here for a pep talk. Take me there, now.
Today is a great day. A day that we all have waited for. The sacred day. The purification day. Of a truth, I never knew that I was going to be alive to witness this day. Many of you thought it was a fairy tale. But here we are. It is real. It is an infantile superstition of human spirit that virginity be taught as a virtue and not a barrier that separates ignorance from knowledge. The chosen one is the one that will put an end to all our virginity. Zuri!
Baraka, it is time.
My name is not Baraka. Call me Steven. That's my name.
You must start getting used to that name. Your name is Baraka.
It is time. Please choose the first virgin for your purification.
If you must restore your potency, you have to choose a virgin. Now.
Please choose.
I choose her.
Why me? I am the youngest. Choose from the oldest.
Shut up! Before I get you beheaded.
Baraka, you can go into your chamber. Arya, follow him immediately.
I won't say it again. Move. or I shoot.
Madam, you can take my life. I have no wife, no children. All I have is this job. But before you kill me, I need to tell you something.
What?
Madam, you made him do what he did. You ruptured his ego. A man can do anything to salvage his ego, can even take his life.
It is only a stupid man that throws away his life, all because he wants to salvage his ego.
Ego is a man's self-image. It's his social marks. It's like a rope you're playing on a movie set.
The ultimate aim of ego is not to see something, but to be something. Ego judges and punishes, but love heals and forgives. Are you done?
Do you really love him?
What sort of stupid question is that? If I don't love him, I would have left him a long time ago knowing he's impotent.
You can't hurt a man you say you love. All those hateful words, humiliating him, it's not good. It does not show you really love him.
Old man, you know nothing about love.
I know. But when you say you love someone, you don't cheat on him, no matter what.
What are you trying to say? Are you trying to say I cheated on him?
You cheated on him with his best friend.
What happens after everything? How many wives is he allowed to choose?
That is his decision to make. He can choose as many wives as he wishes. You have always wanted to be chosen by the chosen one.
What about you? What if he chose you?
I've already told you I will not say anything, but only on one condition.
What condition?
Let Stephen be. He knows what he's doing. He would come back. Let him be.
Others are so excited that they were chosen. But you don't look excited. Why?
Do you really believe in the myth about the chosen one?
I don't even know what to believe in anymore. But one thing I know is that I will regain my potency, even if it means believing you people are from another planet.
So, for you it is not about the prophecy. It is about your selfish interest.
Oh. Well, I have tried running separately. But each time I tried, I found myself back here. Even in my desperation to regain my potency, I am not dumb enough not to know that me being here was destined.
So, after this, what happens? You go back to your wife, or you stay here and fulfill the prophecy?
Honestly, I don't know.
The greatest danger in times of turbulence is not the turbulence, It is to act with yesterday's logic.
What does that mean?
It is a characteristic of wisdom not to do desperate things.
Desperation is the raw material for change. Well, only he who believes that he left something very, very valuable back home will be willing to escape.
Desperation is like stealing from a dangerous man. You stand a good chance of attracting the wrong attention. When a man has reached the point where he believes a thing happens not because he wishes it, and that what he wishes to happen will never be, that is really the state of desperation.
Are you desperate to lose your virginity?
Well, I am here not because I want to, but because they said I am destined to be here.
They said, or you know.
What I think about does not matter here. It is only what they think of us.
Oh, I see. So, are you ready?
How does it feel?
What?
This we are about to do.
Well, it is better felt than told. However, it is not always pleasant when done for the first time.
So I heard.
But I'll do something to you that will make it less painful.
Something like what? Why is my whole body shaking?
Relax.
Lakaka, they are wasting too much time. I just want to go in and be touched by the chosen moon.
Calm down, Faria. It will get your own turn.
Calm down? I've been calm for the past 25 years. Do you know what it feels like to be touched by the chosen one? We are lucky. We might even be among the people he will select to be his wife. And do you know what that means? We are going to be the divine mothers of all virgins. I think she just lost her virginity. Akaka, they are wasting too much time.
Calm down. The chosen one will soon come and select you.
They should come out at once.
Among every form of mistake, prophecy is the most gratuitous.
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Le, 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 le. Njenje, 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 koneje, njenje, makamo yewa. Njenje, njenje, koneje, oh njenje, makamo yewa. Ijuwa to be a man in no easy, oh. You go pass through many wahala. The quest for a child has put you through a journey that you don't know if you ever go return. To be a man comes with so many challenges. Now the journey has already begun. Oh. Njenje, 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 koneje, njenje, makamo yewa.
Congratulations. You are the first breed of the chosen one. Go and spread the good news to others.
Will he succeed or he will fail? Is this your destiny ever? Is this your destiny ever? Need a child to call your own, but now you're all alone. Is this your destiny ever? Is this your destiny? Need a child to call your own, but now you are alone. Njenje, njenje, oh. Njenje, njenje, oh. Njenje, makamo yewa, njenje.
Thank you, chosen one. Thank you, chosen one.
Relax. Calm down. You're too excited.
I'm sorry, chosen one. It's just that I can't contain the
Relax.
excitement any longer. I'm surprised I was even picked, considering the fact that I'm a warrior.
But you're a virgin.
Yes, I am. You see, ever since Lakaka told us about the chosen one, it has always been my dream, to feel his touch, to be with him.
Wait. Hold on. Did you say Lakaka told you about the chosen one?
Yes, she did.
I thought it was a prophecy.
Does it matter? We're talking too much. Let's do this.
Oh, wait. Are you sure Lakaka told you about the chosen one?
Why does it matter? It doesn't matter. Let's just do this.
Aria, congratulations.
Aria, tell us, how was it?
Was it worth it?
Was it as pleasurable as the prophecy said?
It was painful. It was not a good experience. I thought Lakaka said the pleasure is out of this world.
But we were told it's always painful at the first time.
I do not want to experience this again.
What are you talking about?
Exactly. You don't know how lucky you are. I wish I was the first person that slept with the chosen one.
How did we get here? Tiana, Mona, Kumana. Can you remember how you got here? The chosen one asked me this question and I could not answer him. It dawned on me that I don't even know how I got here. See, if we were born here, then where are our parents? Don't we have other siblings aside us?
Honestly, I don't know. But Lakaka said the prophecy brought us all here.
What prophecy? I think something is happening to me. Look at them. Look at us. Are we normal? I'm beginning to have doubts about us. Something is happening here. Something is happening to me.
Please, don't say that again. If Lakaka hears that, she will have your head on a platter.
The knowledge of one generation is the ignorance of the next.
Don't forget so soon that you told us that ignorance is mother of devotion.
Nothing is more dangerous than sincere ignorance and conscientious stupidity.
Lakaka will always say that war is peace.
And freedom is slavery. And ignorance is strength.
That is because she wants us to be ignorant forever.
You did it. You slept with the chosen one. Please bless me. Please! Bless me, please. Okay? Please bless me. Bless me. Please. Please bless me. Please bless me. Please
Bless us, Aria. Bless us, Aria.
Bless us,
Aria.
Bless me, please.
Bless us, Aria.
Bless me.
Bless us, Aria.
Bless
Bless us, Aria. 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 Bless us, Aria.
Congratulations! You are the second breath of the chosen one. Go and spread the good news to others.
Hello. We need the blood of 10. No more 5. Tomorrow is the D-Day. It must happen. We have waited for so long. You need to get out from there. Before what you used to hypnotize them wears off. Leave now.
I understand. Not really. I was just thinking aloud.
What were you thinking about?
About us. What happens to us? What happens to our love if he chooses any of us?
I am more worried about the virgins. None of them looked happy after sleeping with the chosen one. I thought you said it's the greatest pleasure on earth.
It is the first time. Very soon you would understand the pleasure of being with a man.
I want to sleep with him. I want to know what it feels like to be with a man.
But you are not chosen yet.
I know. But you are Lakaka. You can make it happen.
I will see what I can do. I need to attend to something urgent.
This is blasphemous. You shouldn't be saying it to their hearing. Don't you know that Lakaka will come for you if she hears that?
The truth is that I am not scared of Lakaka.
I am not scared of what will happen to my body. What scares me is what will happen to my soul. That is if I have one. She lied to us. She lied to us. She told us this experience was supposed to be out of this world. I felt nothing but pain. Nothing special. Same with me. Nothing special.
But she also said that it's going to be painful at the first time.
How did we all get here? Fariha, how did you get here? Shiro, how did you come here? Come, all of you, stop looking at me like that. I am one of you. I am Aria, your sister. Munata, how did you come here? Kumi, how? Chacha, Tata, Maria, how did you come here? Gege, how did we all come here?
But Lakaka said the prophecy brought all of us here.
What prophecy?
The prophecy of the powerful virgins.
But the prophecy said that whenever we lay with the chosen one, that the feelings will be out of this world. Why was it so painful? That was the most painful moment of my life. Could it be the prophecy is wrong? Or it's not really the chosen one? I have an idea.
What is it? He just called. They need 5 blood of virgins tonight. Yes. He also said that what has been used to hypnotize them is wearing off. We need to get this blood and leave here immediately.
How is this possible? He's just one man.
Spike his drink with an aphrodisiac. That way, he would want to sleep with all the virgins here. One more thing. Lila wants to be selected.
No. She can't.
I know. I am confused. Look, you must handle this.
You don't need to worry. I'll do just that.
Aria, why are you not happy for me? Lakaka just said I've been chosen. I'm now among the virgins that will sleep with the chosen one. You should be happy for me. You know this is what I've always wanted.
She first told us the prophecy said they want 5 virgins. Suddenly they want more. She's lying, Tiana. I could see it in her eyes. Something is wrong. It doesn't feel right. I can feel it. I can feel something is wrong. Can't you see?
See, it's just your imagination. You should be happy for me. I'm going to sleep with the chosen one. They're waiting for me. I'll be right back.
Tiana. Tiana! How am I the only person that is...
It's break time. I know you must be thirsty, so I brought you a drink. You need to drink and regain strength before sleeping with the last virgin.
I'm not just thirsty. I'm dehydrated. Thanks. What kind of drink is this? It feels like I can see.
And what's that? What is Hennessy?
It's my favorite drink. How did you manage to assemble all these girls here?
The prophecy.
Oh, the prophecy. I see. Thanks for the drink anyway. You're pretty. Sit.
I'm not allowed to sit.
I want you.
No. You can't have me. I am not allowed to sleep with the chosen one.
Stop! Stop!
Mommy?
Hmm?
Mommy? I know you were angry. I made you angry. I'm sorry for making you angry. That made you break my hand. I know you were trying to discipline me.
Good.
So that I will be a good man.
Thank God you know.
And a good husband.
Good.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
For breaking my hand.
You're welcome. It should not repeat itself again. Else I'll do worse.
You break my leg.
You know. You know me too well.
So that I will sit at a place and love you.
Am I not enough for you? Benson.
Mommy?
You know you gave me 500,000 naira the other time. It's not enough for me. I need more money. I need another 300,000.
Hey, Mommy. My ATM pin, you know it now. It's 2121. Take it, but you just remain 115 for me.
15.
I want to use them buy paracetamol.
Okay.
Medicine. Because of my hand that you break.
So I can withdraw any money I want?
Yes.
Are you expecting anyone?
No, Mommy.
Are you sure?
Mommy, no. Let me go and see who is at the door. Should I go?
Who is there? Are you sure you're not expecting anyone?
Mommy, let me go.
Who is there? Come in. How can you say you're not expecting?
I'm not expecting.
You're not expecting.
I'm not expecting anybody.
Benson, please, I would love to have a word with you.
Or with my mommy, and my mommy is my wife. Mommy, I did not tell her to come.
That's fine. Did you tell her you slept with me?
He does not hide anything from me. He told me, and I have forgiven him. Besides, he has a broken arm.
That's his punishment for what he did.
Mommy, it's not punishment, it's discipline.
Good. Tell her.
Benson, are you okay?
Do I look stupid?
Baby.
Mommy?
Ask her to leave.
My mommy said you should leave. My mommy said you should leave.
You heard him. Leave.
Mommy, I did not invite her. I did not tell her.
What did you even see in her? Is it because she's tall and has big breasts?
Mommy, no. This one is enough for me.
Why did you do that?
I thought you all are virgins. But you're not.
I lost my virginity here. Only my friend knows about it. Please, don't tell anyone about it.
I won't tell anyone. I enjoyed it. Yes. Okay, we'll do one more time.
No. Please, no.
Why wasn't I chosen? I told you to make it happen.
Zuri said you were not chosen.
Then I will choose myself. I've prepared my whole life for this. I need this. I've never requested anything from you. This is it. If I don't get to be part of the virgins, then no one dares.
Please, Leila, do not do this. I love you.
I love you too. But I need this more. If you love me, you would do this for me.
Please, make another request. I will gladly oblige.
This is my only request.
Come. Come. I love you that much. I do not want to lose you. We need to leave this place now.
Yes.
We do not have time. Are the clothes intact?
Yes, they are.
Let's go.
Go where? Where are you taking those clothes you got from the virgins?
To the altar for purification.
She is not a virgin. I slept with her. Are you a virgin?
Does it matter?
Of course it does! You spiked my drink, didn't you? Something dark is happening here. All those women act hypnotized. You hypnotized them, didn't you?
Listen, I do not have time for this. Let's go.
You go nowhere! Until you tell me where you're taking these clothes you got from the virgins to. Enough!
See, Baraka.
My name is not Baraka! My name is Stephen. Enough!
Fine. I'll be inside. Hey, what's going on? The gate is wide open. And John, nowhere to be found. Hey. Hey, I don't understand. Eh? His number is not reachable.
Today is the day we've waited for years. Today, it's a big day. I want to commend all of you for a successful completion of this mission. John.
Ajay.
Monica.
Ajay.
And Elizabeth Lakaka, who is not here because I have sent her to retrieve the sacred pot for this sacrifice. You did well. You did well. The seed of Stephen, the seed of Baraka, is the only seed that can be used to uplift and rebuild our confraternity. Our confraternity is in the quagmire of collapse. His seed is the only seed that can be used to rebuild it. Because the Father's blood was used to build this confraternity. You did very well. You did very well. The 10 blood of the virgins are already here. In the morning, the purification will be over. We will be in the position to certify the potency of the blood of the virgins. Once again, thank you very much. Once this process is completed, all the virgins in the land of virgins must be killed and sacrificed to make our confraternity stronger. Sumakwa, 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 Sumakwa.
What happened? What happened? Shiro! The ones used for purification are dying. They are dying. First it was Fariha. Shiro. Muna is dead! Muna is dead! It's not true. It's not true. They are all dead. The ones used for purification. They are all dead. What is happening? Arya, you are one of them. Look there, everyone is dead. Why are you still alive? That is because my virginity was not taken away from me.
How?
I had a dream before that day. I died. And I saw Lakaka and Zuri laughing at me. I did not understand the dream, but I knew it had to do with the purification. So when I went to see the chosen one, what is wrong?
It failed me.
What is that?
My manhood failed me. The last time this happened to me, I later found out that the person I was about to make love to had HIV. And now this. This means something. It's obvious the universe doesn't want you to lose your virginity this way.
What am I going to do to convince them that I lost my virginity?
Scream. Scream like I'm doing something to you.
I think she just lost her virginity.
are you doing? What are you doing?
This will convince them. Don't tell anybody about this. You will thank me later.
Among the forms of mistake, prophecy is the most gratuitous.
He saved me! He saved me! They deceived us! This was all a setup! I now remember everything. We were taken and hypnotized. They were waiting for the perfect time to strike. They used us. They used all of us. They used you. We need to find Lakaka and Zuri now! We need to find Lakaka! Let's go!
Who killed the chosen one?
He is not the chosen one. This is all a setup. The virgins used for the purification are dead.
You slept with him. Why are you not dead?
Because I begged him not to take away my virginity.
She knew. She knew this would happen. That was why she didn't want me to be part of them. She knew.
What are we going to do now?
Zumakwa, 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 Zumakwa. Zumakwa, 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 Zumakwa.
Stop. It did not work. It did not work! You were sent to bring the blood of 10 virgins. Only 9 of the virgins are potent. 1 is not the blood of a virgin. It did not work.
It can't be. I am very sure I brought the blood of 10 virgins. I did. I brought the blood of 10 virgins. I am sure the 10 of them are virgins.
It did not work.
What happened?
don't know. I don't know. I brought the blood of 10 virgins.
You must go back to the land of virgins. You must make Stephen to sleep with 5 more virgins, or you are doomed.
There is a problem. Stephen is dead. We killed him.
Shiro.
Aje.
Fariha.
Aje.
Atenga.
Aje.
Muna.
Aje.
Tiana.
Aje.
Ayana.
Aje.
We have to leave here tonight. This place is no longer safe for us.
What about the chosen one? What are we going to do about his body? We need to keep it where people can identify him.
No. That would be too dangerous for us. The police...
What is it?
I remember now. I am a police officer. I am a police officer. How did I get here? What is this thing we're wearing?
I think they wiped our memories so that we will not remember the life we had before here.
Exactly what they did. Guys, we need to leave here. But first, we have to get Stephen and bury his body just like we buried our sisters.
How could you do this?
I am sorry.
We trusted you. You wasted all our efforts. Why?
I am sorry. We had to kill him because he found out. What are we going to do now?
There is a ritual that can raise him from the dead for 30 minutes. But that requires the blood of 7 more virgins. Therefore, you must go back to the land of virgins and get me the blood of 7 virgins. I'll take it up from there. We do not have time.
You need to recall Lakaka from the mission you sent her, so we can proceed to the land of virgins and kill the 7 virgins immediately.
Zumakwa, 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 Zumakwa. Zumakwa, 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 Zumakwa.
remove this body. He was here. Shh. Hi.
His body was here.
Yes. Are you sure he died?
Maybe he didn't. You know I stabbed him in a hurry. Look, Zoe, we must find him. Let's go.
No. Relax. We need to kill the 7 virgins first. Then we can go and get Stephen later. Yes.
Have you noticed? Everywhere is quiet.
Aha! You all scared us. Yeah.
We had everything. So you planned all this. Took us away from our homes and various workplaces. Wipe our memories. And kept us for your sacrifice. How could you?
Look, not know what you're talking about. Let's go.
Get them!
What? Tie them to that tree. Lila! No, leave me alone! Lila! What's going on there? Lila! Let me. Tie them up! Lila! What is going on? Leave me! You must stop! Stop! Leave me alone! Lila, stop! Stop this! You cannot tie your leader! Stop! Not our leader! Lila! You cannot tie your leader. You are not our leader!
I trusted you.
If you confess, maybe I will let you go.
We will not confess. Of what use is it? We are going to die anyways. It's your choice to die by myself. Starting from
I'll confess. I'll confess. I'll confess. We are members. We are members of the confraternity of the Most High. Yes.
It's a very powerful confraternity until the founder died. Initially, we needed the blood of 5 virgins, but it was later increased to 10. And we also needed the seed of the son of the founder, which is Stephen. We needed to make the virgins submit willingly and also to groom them for 7 months. That was how we brought you all and made you submit willingly. And we also groomed you. We got the blood we needed, but all of the blood of the virgins were not there. So we were asked to come back and get the blood of 7 more virgins. And that was why we came back. Please.
Confess now, or you will get born. Never. You're powerless now. Like you said, without the blood of the virgins, you have no power. Confess, or you die now. Never. Last chance. Confess, or you die now. Never. We will leave now. Like I said, here is no longer safe for us. Let's go. Farewell, land of virgins.
Ajaelo.
He ran away. He left with everything, his belongings. He's going to tell everybody I cheated on my husband. What do I do? I should have killed him when I had the chance to.
You slept with my husband, and I am here to sleep with yours. I do not take cheating lightly.
Hey, come, you have to leave.
Where is your husband?
Come and leave.
I must sleep with him.
Hey!
Where is he?
Hey, Stephen! Hey! See, come. You have
Oh my goodness!
My wife is angry. My wife is angry. I made my wife angry. My wife is angry at me. I made her angry. I made her angry. I made my wife angry. She's angry. Hey. My wife is angry. She's angry. If my wife finds out I made her angry, she will kill me. She will kill me. She will kill me. You know, I have to punish myself. I must punish myself for making her angry. I have to punish myself.
Hmm? What have you done? What have you done?
I'm sorry, I made you angry. I'm sorry.
Are you okay? Why did you do it? Why? Why did you do it? No, Betsy, why? Somebody help me! Betsy, are you okay? Somebody help me! Betsy! Oh my goodness! Somebody help me! No! Betsy! Betsy! Somebody help! You promised me 20 million naira. 20 million naira. Betsy, you've not given me the money. 20 million naira. 20 million naira. Hey. What is touching me? Betsy, my 20 million naira. What is this? Is this coke? Coke. Betsy! He promised me 20 million naira. He has not given it to me. Ah! My back is itching me. Betsy! My back is itching me.
njenje, njenje, oneje, njenje, makamo yewa. Chokocho, yeah, chokocho, 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 chokocho.
Welcome to the land of virgins. The prophecy has come.
Prophecy has come.
The chosen one has come.
Baraka, the chosen one is here.
Baraka,
The special one is here.
Baraka,
The chosen one is here.
yeah.
Baraka,
Yeah,
the
yeah.
chosen one is here.
Baraka,
The special one is here.
yeah, yeah.
The chosen one is here.
I tried. I tried, Nanye. I tried. I died trying to make you happy. No man should die trying to make his woman happy.
Music. I remember. I am a DJ. Okay, guys. So, let's coordinate ourselves so we can find our various homes. Okay? Let's go. But hold your hands.
Njenje, koneje, njenje, makamo yewa. Njenje, koneje, njenje, makamo yewa. Ijuwa to be a man no easy yo. You go pass through many wahala. The quest for a child has put you through a journey that you don't know if you ever go return. To be a man comes with so many challenges. Now the journey has already begun. Oh. Makamo yewa Njenje Njenje Koneje Njenje Makamo yewa. The road is wide, but the journey is risky. Will he succeed or he will fail? Is this your destiny ever? Is this your destiny ever? Need a child to call your own, but now you're all alone. Is this your destiny ever?
I remember who I am. I'm a nurse. I'm a nurse. I'm a nurse. I'm a nurse. He's convulsing. He needs. I need.
What
spoon,
do you need?
Spoon, iron spoon, strong spoon. Yes.
Spoon. Can someone get me a spoon?
Spoon.
We have to elevate his head, right? Come over. This way, come this way. Hold it.
Somebody find me water.
Water. Can someone get me water, please? Water. Please, we need water. Oh.
She saved it!
Okay, guys, at this point, I have to take you all to the police station so we can identify ourselves. Okay, but we have to move like civilized people so we don't cause chaos. Okay, so let's hold our hands. Come closer. Closer.
Oh yeah, yeah. Le. Njenje Oneje Njenje Makamo yewa Njenje Oneje Njenje Makamo yewa. Ijuwa to be a man in no easy yo. You go pass through many wahala. The quest for a child has put you through a journey that you don't know if you ever go return. To be a man comes with so many challenges. Now the journey has already begun. Njenje